Welcome to ILC Dover. We are a global leader that helps to bring multiple drugs to market safely and efficiently. Our pharmaceutical solutions are suitable for all raw material handling, chemical synthesis, and oral solid dosage manufacturers. With over 75 years of experience, we have a global footprint of more than 2,200 employees, with more than 10 regional manufacturing locations to deliver best-in-class lead times. All our facilities are compliant with cGMP, FDA, ISO 9001, and ISO 13485 standards. Single-use powder containment and transfer. ILC Dover's single-use powder containment and transfer solutions are based on our Armorflex family of films, which are custom formulated, slip agent-free, anti-static, and regulatory approved. Armorflex leads by providing unmatched performance. Our leading FIBC systems include DoverPack and D100 for close transfer of potent and hazardous powders from less than 1 microgram per cubic meter to 100 micrograms per cubic meter, while eliminating cross-contamination, mitigating dust, increasing storage space, and accelerating your process validation. ILC Dover's continuous liners assure the safe and effective transfer of powders, giving operators the ability to fill multiple drums without breaking containment and eliminating the risk of cross-contamination between powders. ILC Dover's crimp lock system provides a contained and secure closure system that is applicable to all ILC Dover solutions, such as FIBCs, isolators, and liner options. Our static dissipative drum liners give you the confidence to safely transfer and store a wide range of APIs and other powders. They pass Chilworth incentivity tests, ensuring the safety of your products when used in certain hazardous environments. Isolators and flexible enclosures. ILC Dover specializes in a variety of flexible containment isolators that are built for safety, efficiency, and ergonomics. Our quick delivery solutions can meet FDA standards and accommodate cGMP regulations. Our universal processing isolator SoloFlex is designed for the benchtop with its rapid and easy assembly. It can be adopted for negative pressure and high containment applications that require containment-free disposal. ILC Dover's in-process isolators have multiple configurations. It can be coupled with Atmospheric Control Module (ACM) that automatically purges nitrogen and maintains the isolator at a preset pressure. During a breach condition, the ACM responds automatically and maintains a negative static pressure. For more specific requirements, ILC Dover can customize a range of isolator options such as single to multi-chamber designs, matching your airflow and pressure requirements, as well as retrofitting to your existing pharmaceutical equipment. Process systems. ILC Dover also offers powder processing systems for your powder and liquid handling operations. Our jet mixer allows for rapid and effective mixing with its patented Venturi nozzle design for any powder-to-liquid or liquid-to-liquid formulations. Our jet breaker system effectively reduces powder lumps in a single step into flowable granules and is available to connect to any process step seamlessly. ILC Dover's FIBC pack-off station is designed to help with the powder discharge from the FIBC by massaging it. The liquefier ensures that the powder flows to the dosing valve without bridging issues. It is suitable for all types of powder parameters with CIB-SIP compliance and ATEX certification. ILC Dover's drum transfer system allows for the handling of heavy drums for better ergonomics and operator safety. It can be combined with a tipper for lifting and swinging drums in a horizontal position. ILC Dover's multi-dosomat system allows for accurate dosing of your required powders. It can be configured to any recipe and offers fast and accurate dosing into drum liners, continuous liners, and various containers. Powered Air Purifying Respirator Systems (PAPR). ILC Dover's personal protective equipment has been mitigating diseases, pathogens, and chemical risks for over 30 years in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, infectious diseases, and seaborne applications. To ensure the safety of your operators, ILC Dover's Sentinel Clear PAPR system supports a range of user needs and offers superior protection with greater visibility of up to 320-degree field of view. It features interchangeable filter cartridges to protect against different types of hazardous gas with a single blower. Our NIOSH-approved PAPR is also available in non-incentive configuration. cGMP chemicals. ILC Dover's cGMP portfolio provides a reliable secondary source for your raw materials and versatile packaging options available. Our ready-to-use materials can support all your compliance, testing, and EHS requirements. ILC Dover's dry repackaging services offers accurate weighting of your required raw materials in a variety of ready-to-use packaging configurations. By providing these services, we streamline workflows, optimize recovery rates, reduce costs associated with cleaning, sterilizing, and equipment maintenance. ILC Dover provides comprehensive solutions to ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of the API and OSD manufacturing processes. Our offerings such as single-use powder containment and transfer, isolators and flexible enclosures, process systems, PAPR systems, and cGMP chemicals cover everything from warehousing, sampling, all the way to tablet coating and final packaging. At ILC Dover, we are committed to providing our clients with the most innovative and reliable manufacturing solutions at every process. We invite you to partner with us today and experience the benefits of our expertise.